Did you know that over 2.2 billion people worldwide experience vision impairment? That's nearly 1/3 of the global population. The surprising part: many of these cases are preventable. And here's the exciting bit: the key to protecting your eyesight might already be in your kitchen. Today, we're unveiling 8 powerful and delicious drinks that can help shield your eyes from conditions like glaucoma and cataracts. Grab your mugs, it's time to toast to healthier vision. Understanding eye health. Let's start with the basics. Glaucoma damages the optic nerve, often due to increased eye pressure. Left unchecked, it can gradually steal your vision. Cataracts cloud the eye's lens, making your view blurry and foggy. Tasks like driving at night or reading can become a struggle. Scary? Yes. Preventable? Absolutely. The right nutrients can fortify your eyes and even slow the progression of these conditions. Let's dive into 8 drinks that don't just hydrate but nourish and protect your eyes from the inside out. 1. Carrot and orange juice. Picture this: bright orange juice cascading into a glass, the perfect blend of nature's vibrant hues and nutrient-rich goodness. Carrot and orange juice is more than just a delicious drink, it's a nutritional powerhouse that offers significant benefits for your eye health. Carrots, these humble roots are rich in beta-carotene, a vital antioxidant and precursor to vitamin A. This nutrient plays a critical role in maintaining healthy vision, particularly by supporting the retina and preventing dryness in your eyes. It's nature's way of helping you see the world more clearly. Oranges, adding a citrusy twist, oranges bring a hefty dose of vitamin C to the mix. This essential vitamin combats oxidative stress, reducing the risk of cataracts and promoting overall eye health. Plus, the refreshing tangy flavor makes every sip a delight. For a truly invigorating experience, blend fresh carrots and oranges together. This simple combination not only enhances the taste with a balance of sweetness and tang, but also maximizes the nutrients in your glass. It's the perfect way to start your day with a vision-boosting boost. 2. Spinach and Kale Smoothie. Imagine the whirl of a blender transforming leafy greens into a vibrant green smoothie, teeming with nutrients and goodness. When it comes to vision protection, green truly is the color of health. A spinach and kale smoothie isn't just a treat for your taste buds, it's a shield for your eyes. Spinach and kale, these leafy greens are a powerhouse of lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 potent antioxidants that form a natural protective barrier over your retina. Research shows that these nutrients can lower the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts by up to 43%, safeguarding your vision as you age. While spinach and kale pack a nutritional punch, their earthy taste can be elevated by adding a ripe banana. The natural sweetness balances the flavors, creating a smoothie that's not only good for you but irresistibly delicious. Blend with almond milk or a splash of orange juice for an extra dose of vitamins and a creamy texture. This green smoothie is the perfect way to supercharge your day, while giving your eyes the protection they deserve. 3. Bilberry Tea. Picture a steaming cup of deep purple tea, its rich color hinting at the extraordinary benefits within. Bilberry tea may not be as well known as other beverages, but it's a true champion when it comes to supporting eye health. Bilberries, these small, dark berries are packed with anthocyanins, powerful compounds known to enhance night vision and alleviate eye strain. By improving blood flow to the retina, anthocyanins help your eyes adapt better to low light conditions, making this tea perfect for anyone who spends long hours staring at screens or driving at night. A fun fact from history: during World War II, British pilots reportedly consumed bilberries to sharpen their vision for nighttime missions. If it worked for them, imagine the edge it could give you in navigating dim environments. Enjoy bilberry tea warm, with a hint of honey for a soothing experience. 4. Turmeric Golden Milk. Envision a rustic mug filled with a warm golden drink, its vibrant hue radiating comfort and wellness. Turmeric Golden Milk isn't just a cozy treat, it's a powerful ally in protecting your vision. The star of this drink, turmeric, is rich in curcumin, a natural anti-inflammatory compound. Curcumin has been shown to help reduce eye pressure, a key factor in preventing and managing glaucoma. To maximize curcumin's absorption, mix turmeric with warm milk and a dash of black pepper. The piperine in black pepper enhances curcumin's bioavailability, ensuring you reap its full benefits. Sprinkle a touch of cinnamon or drizzle some honey for extra flavor. 5. Beetroot Juice. Picture a stream of deep red beet juice cascading into a glass, its earthy aroma and vibrant color promising a healthful experience. Beetroot juice is more than just a bold and refreshing beverage, it's a natural tonic for your eyes. Beets, packed with nitrates, beets are known to enhance blood flow, including to the optic nerve, which is essential for maintaining healthy vision. Improved circulation helps manage conditions like glaucoma, making beetroot juice a valuable addition to your eye care regimen. A study published in the Journal of Ocular Pharmacology highlights the role of increased blood flow in reducing pressure on the optic nerve and supporting long-term eye health. It's a simple way to give your eyes the nourishment they need. Blend beets with a splash of orange juice or ginger for a flavorful twist. 6. Green tea. Imagine a tranquil cup of green tea resting on a wooden table, steam rising in soft tendrils as you savor the calming aroma. Green tea is more than a moment of peace, it's a protective elixir for your eyes. This humble tea is loaded with catechins, powerful antioxidants that fight oxidative damage in your eyes. By neutralizing free radicals, catechins help protect the lens and retina, reducing the risk of developing cataracts and other age-related eye conditions. Studies have shown that regular green tea drinkers enjoy better eye health over time, thanks to its ability to combat the wear and tear caused by oxidative stress. Beyond its vision-boosting benefits, green tea is a natural stress buster, helping to ease tension and support overall wellness. Sip your green tea warm, and consider adding a squeeze of lemon to enhance its antioxidant absorption. 7. Aloe Vera Juice. Aloe Vera Juice is a refreshing and nutrient-rich option to support eye health. Packed with vitamins A, C, and E, this natural drink provides the essential nutrients required for maintaining healthy vision. Vitamin A supports the retina, vitamin C combats oxidative stress, and vitamin E protects the eyes from damage caused by UV exposure. In addition to these vitamins, aloe vera contains antioxidants that further guard against harmful effects of UV light, promoting overall eye health and resilience. For the best benefits, ensure your aloe vera juice is pure, free from added sugars, and of high quality. Serve it chilled for a hydrating, revitalizing drink that's perfect for a midday boost or a post-workout refreshment. 8. Mulberry leaf tea. Picture a delicate teapot pouring light green tea into a cup, its gentle aroma promising relaxation and wellness. Mulberry leaf tea is a lesser-known treasure, steeped in tradition and packed with nutrients that support eye health. Mulberry leaves are rich in resveratrol, a compound known to protect retinal cells from degeneration. By safeguarding these vital cells, this tea helps maintain sharp vision and reduces the risk of age-related eye conditions. Celebrated in traditional medicine for centuries, mulberry leaf tea is a soothing and restorative way to care for your eyes. Its light flavor and calming effect make it the perfect drink to wind down after a long day. Pair your mulberry tea with a slice of lemon or a drizzle of honey for added flavor and nutrients. There you have it, 8 drinks that are as nourishing as they are eye-opening. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and share it with someone you care about.